Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create list on Amazon. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar and type in amazon.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. You can also open the Amazon application if you want. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now in order to create a list, what you have to do is hover over the option account and list that you can see right over here. Now over here in the section for your list, you'll be able to find the option for create a list. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to create a new list. All you have to do is enter the list name over here. Simply click on the field of list name. Shopping list will be entered by default. If you're okay with that, simply go ahead with it, or you can also edit the name if you want. After doing that, what you have to do is click on the create option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the list will be created. Now in order to add the item to the list, you can simply click on the option add item. Now you can simply add the general items over here. Simply search for the item of your choice. You'll be able to see the results over here. Simply click on the result of your choice. Now you can see over here that particular item will be added to the list. But if you want to add the specific items of Amazon to the list, what you have to do is go to the home interface of Amazon. Now simply find the product that you want to add to the wish list. Once you find it, click on it. Now once that product has been opened, what you have to do is scroll down in this interface. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for add to list. You'll be able to find the drop down arrow over here, so simply click on it. Now select the list in which you want to add. Now you can see over here that particular item will be added to your list. Click on the option view your list. Now you can see over here that particular item has been added to the list. You can follow the same process and add more items. You can also invite people to view the list. Simply click on the invite option that you can see right over here. Now after that you'll be able to invite others to your list. You can either invite them to view or you can also invite them to view and edit. It is completely your choice. You can also manage your list by simply clicking on the three dots that you can see right over here. Now click on the option manage list. Now you'll also be able to manage the settings of the list. So like this, you'll be able to create the list. So that is how you create list on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.